Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. So today I have HP-15 here. I'm going to show you guys how to change the screen of HP-15, how to replace it with another one. So you have to gently open the top casing of the HP-15. Make sure you handle it carefully because the screen is a delicate screen. So you open it carefully, then keep the casing here and bring your screwdriver. Use the nuts holding the screen. We have four nuts which is holding the screen. One is here, the second one is here. Then we have the third one here. So we remove the fourth one too. After removing the fourth one, we gently bring out the screen from the casing. So when you bring it out, you pull out the flex on the screen. So now I'm going to replace the screen with a good one. Here is a 15.6 good screen. So I'm going to replace it with the old one. So you have to gently put in the flex. You have to be very careful while putting it in so that it will not breach current. So now I'll put it back in. Gently place it back to the top casing and put the wires inside. So now I'm done. I will have to tighten it back with the screws. Gently hold it with your hand and then tighten it with the screws. I'm tightening the first one now. So there is the second screw. I'm tightening the second screw now. Here is the third screw. I'm tightening the third screw now. And here is the fourth one. So I'm done tightening this first screw. So this is actually how you replace your 15.6 in HP-15 screen. So you place back the casing back. Gently put it back and then press it so that it will lap together with the screen. Keep on pressing it. You press the down here. So now this is how you replace your HP-15 modeless screen. Please share my video, like and subscribe. Thank you.